Alrighty folks, it is time for a windshield. I finally got my windshield. It's been on back order for April, May, June, July, August. Jesus. Finally got that. Picked it up at Classic Industries down in Huntington Beach. Not their fault, it's, manufacturing. But I have to address some stuff with this one. I need to. Well, this is what I'm worried about. I'm worried there's going to be rust underneath here. So I'm going to be sanding a little bit. Just getting rid of some weather stripping mess up here, a little chipping. Cleaning that up. Removing this inner. This used to be chrome. And I have the new piece for that. But that's what locks in this gasket. So I can remove that. And as far as I know, if I cut just the inner piece here, I can push this windshield out and clean up and remove the gasket and then put it all, get it back to good material. Having trouble speaking. And then I can just place the windshield back in. It'll sit back in there until I get the appointment. Have my guys put a new one in. But because the gasket sits here underneath the dash pad, or, it's really tight to it, and because I have such a beautiful dash pad, I'm going to take the dash pad out. I don't want any incidents of, scraping it up or getting silicone on it or anything like that. So, quick 4 bolts, I think it is, and then the pad itself slides out. You don't need to remove your cluster, from what I remember, so let's pop that off. Hey, you guys want to watch me wrestle this out? Maybe I'll do a fast forward montage. I don't know. Something. And there she is, in case you're wondering what it looks like with the dash pad out. I've had some water coming in this area. It's pretty common on all these trucks. Same with that corner. That's why we're getting the new windshield. It's all delaminated internally. This is for the antenna. Supposedly a cap. And I gotta be more gentle with that because I need to keep that connector. And then get my mirror off. I don't know if I'm going to do this right now, but I want to get it ready for sure. And then once windshield's in, we're doing window tint. We'll be good to go. Now let's get these wiper arms off. This is how they come off. That little tab right there in the end, little spring tab. Kind of just have to pry a little something right there, and then you pull up on the arm at the same time, it'll slide right off. And yes, of course, I'm using the screwdriver I found in in the truck over in the body panel there, coming out the rot hole. This thing's great. And I get a lot of comments about my pink screwdriver. I'm not afraid to carry a pink screwdriver. You know why? Because I've had that for over 20 years and never lost it. If that was black, gone. Would have been gone in a week underneath the hood. So this is what happens when you paint a truck without removing windshield. You get a paint line, and it's most certainly going to flake and rust. You can see, actually, that's the red, original red paint under there. But yeah, that's why guys remove the windshields. I see a lot of custom deluxe, which is what I have. This is chrome. Nobody puts these back in. They do a new style, all black, which is cool. But I like the chrome look, actually, both front and rear window. And I thought the custom deluxe, I think I'm supposed to have chrome there, but this chrome trim was optional, I believe. Does this marker have the chrome? Yeah, see, this one has the chrome. So that one is probably original. This one's been replaced. And so that was part of the, I believe, the custom deluxe, but I saw a same thing with the chrome here. An original custom deluxe online, and it didn't have any of this chrome. So I don't know if this is a, I thought it was the deluxe, that's what made it the deluxe option, but maybe it's another option. Anybody know? Leave a comment, let me know. Going here while I'm motivated. So this is the clip that joins these two together. This is the only actual piece of chrome, and I need to get underneath it. This is probably not the best tool, but I thought I would show you guys what is involved. So yeah, I'm gonna get that off. Now I'm gonna rip out this center section. And I believe the back has the same, it uses corner pieces that are metal. Yeah, see, these come out a lot easier. Don't want to bend these, that's for sure. Yeah, they're just dainty little metal. And then that's just your chrome piece that you know, it was originally a plastic chrome. I wonder if they make those in metal. That'd be really nice to get. I know the earlier Chevys had them, or any early pre-70s car is going to have actual chrome. But anyway, I digress. I just got a little forceful in this guy. Gentle. Hopefully I can clean these up. I shouldn't be prying there. See what I'm doing there? Oh well. Should leave this to the windshield guy, right? I would just have them do it, but there's going to be rust to repair, and they're not going to want to do that. They'll just throw some paint over it. The wrong way. Not all of them. I mean, there might be guys, but to do it right, you want to. Yeah, we can flatten that out. Maybe you can get a new piece. Yeah, I don't know. This is what we want. That's the actual, what's left of the chrome. Now, if I were driving this truck, I probably wouldn't pull this out and do all that. This truck's just sitting around, waiting for me to do stuff to it. With that removed, you can see there's the edge of the glass. Right there. So that pressure, so it keeps the glass in. So yeah, if I cut this piece off, the glass can push out. Then we can remove the rest of the gasket and clean it up. Done this in the first place, but I'm not seeing any rust in here. Fantastic. It just looked like it was starting down here. Let me get some light. Put some light on you. Yeah, That's doing something, right? Yeah, that's just dirt. You know, it's dirty. It still could be rust down in there where I can't peel, but that's a very good news. I'm glad to hear. I just saw that initial bubbling right there, and I thought it was going to be rust. Plus, I'm from New England, and I just know everything rusts out. Especially on a 47-year-old truck. Amazing. Well, I'm torn on what to do here. The right thing to do would be take this all out and paint the perimeter. You know, sand and paint, primer. Because I'm not planning on painting this truck. I was, you know, going to blend that in, give it that old patina look. You know, but if I were to get the whole truck painted, I would pull this back out again. But you can save these and pull them back out. It's just a little more work, but professionals can do that. So, do I want to do this? Not really prep today anyway. I have a half day. So I don't think I'm going to do it today either way. I think I'm going to leave this as is. Maybe I'll pick up another day. I'll cut that rubber, pull the windshield out, do like I said, sand it, paint it. Maybe you can throw some more black up. Maybe I could finish the roof too. I don't know. What do you guys think? You let me know. All right. My good buddy Acetone, my good buddy Scotch Brite, and Quad Zero steel wool. That's as good as I can do. I bet these will clean it a lot better. That's just overspray. I'm surprised Acetone didn't take that off. But there's a jewelry shop on the way to work here. I wonder if they would want to play with this. They polish the crap out of little things all day long, right? I bet they could do wonders.